What up, my roadies? Roadtrip Dave is coming at you from Dollywood Splash Country. We're going to check out all the different rides here in the water park near Dollywood in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So come with me and prepare to get wet. Dollywood Splash Country is a 35-acre water park located right next to the main Dollywood theme park. It operates from May through September of each year.
That's okay.
As we go through the water park entrance, you know the drill, my roadies. Choke slam the like button, leave a comment, and share this video with others. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell to know when I post new videos. You can follow me on other social media with those links listed in the description below. And you can also support me and my channel through donating on PayPal or leaving a contribution through the Super Thanks button here on YouTube. Like most water parks, Splash Country has a sizable wave pool called Mountain Waves. This 25,000 square foot pool has zero level entry, and you can swim or float in a tube. At certain dates and times, the pool features a DJ where he gets people to dance and sing with a wide variety of songs. The first water slide we will ride is Mountain Scream. Here you can choose between corkscrew tunnels with big turns or a much faster multiple drop slide in the orange. Of course I took the faster one. Let's go! Up next, let's tackle Mountain Twist, where you can ride 3 different 300-foot slides on a mat. Splashdown is very quick, so be prepared. When you walk up to the top of the hill where the slide entrance is, you almost forget you're in a water park with the beautiful mountain foliage around you. The layout of Splash Country is so nicely done. As soon as you finish one slide, you can immediately walk over to ride another one. This time we will check out Wild River Falls, a tube slide where you can ride single or double. There are 4 options, with 2 slides being almost completely dark and the other 2 a little more exposed. Let's try both of the dark ones.
All right. Woo!
After some intense riding and swimming, you might want to take a break in one of the many cabanas, which are called canopies or retreats, placed around the water park. They have daily rates ranging from $80 to $360. Splash Country has a few options to grab something to eat. The largest restaurant is shown here at Campsite Grill, and it serves your standard fast food options like burgers, fries, chicken tenders, pretzels, and pizza. There are a few other places which you can find by clicking the dining information link in the description. These two slides here are called the Butterfly. They are both steep drops, but they are very short. If you want to ride something quick with a little thrill, these slides should do the trick. Right next to that, however, you'll find the waterfall of Downbound Float Trip. The falls mark the main entrance to this attraction, which is a relaxing, lazy river ride. Keep in mind that any person shorter than 36 inches is required to have a life jacket and chaperone 16 years or older. The RTD family doesn't have that issue now, so let's dive in. Haha! After a refreshing trip around the lazy river, now we can go as a family to ride Raging River Rapids. On this slide, you ride an inflatable raft which can hold up to 4 people comfortably. They can hold a group of 5, but since I was the heaviest, I had to ride with another group after my family left me. Oh well.
Awesome. All right, sweet. Whoa! I always ride backwards because I'm the heaviest. Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
After doing all that, don't forget to take a short walk up to the fire tower area. You'll find some more thrilling rides in this section, such as River Rush, which is Tennessee's first and only water coaster. They wouldn't let me film on the ride, but you can get a glimpse of us flying by right here. Another family slide in the water park is Big Bear Plunge, which we are looking at now. It doesn't look like much, but it is a wild ride that starts in the dark and takes a massive plunge. Unfortunately, I couldn't film it, but here's what it looks like at the end. If you have small children, I would take them to Bear Mountain Fire Tower. It's a great place for them, as well as parents, to splash around and cool down. Right next to that tower is the real deal. The most intense slide on property, Fire Tower Falls. Rising up over 70 feet into the air, these two slides give you a free fall ride down 300-foot tracks, where you reach speeds of about 50 miles an hour. Fire Tower Falls also gives some of the most exhilarating views of the park. You can even see DreamersEmpire Hotel from the slide. Check out my comprehensive tour video of the hotel at the link on the top right of the screen.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my God! Oh. Who survived?
Another amazing place to relax after some exciting thrills is here in the Cascades. I found the theming here very immersive, as this area has a large lagoon-style pool with grottos and interactive water features. The whole family can explore hidden water slides, bubblers, and geysers, but you can also chill out with the available lounge chairs along the huge pool deck. Dollywood has become so creative with integrating Dolly's brand into the theme park. And this photo op does the same thing here for Splash Country. It's just so cool and unique. For the summer of 2023, the water park had a theme of rubber duckies, and these were placed all around the park. Hopefully they will continue this neat tradition. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. If you stay at DreamersEmpire Resort or the new Heartsong Lodge, a shuttle will transport you to and from Splash Country every 15 minutes, which is a phenomenal perk. All right, my roadies. What a day at Dollywood's Splash Country. I'm tapped out. A lot of fun things here to do. A lot of good relaxation times. And a lot of just fun, exciting rides. This is definitely a well-themed water park, and I highly recommend that you come here and check it out. So until next time, laters. Make sure you check out some of my other videos from many different destinations. More videos are coming your way soon, Dave's Roadies. Until next time, laters.